In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to lock views in Monday.com so your board layout stays protected and no one accidentally changes filters, columns, or settings. If you're working in a team environment, this is a must-know feature to keep your workflows clean and consistent. I'll walk you through everything step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to secure any view in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com guides. All right, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the board where the view you want to lock exists. So log into your Monday.com account and navigate to the specific workspace and board you're working with. This could be a project management board, a content calendar, a CRM board, or any other board where you've customized a view. Make sure you're inside the correct board before moving to the next step. Next, at the top of the board, you'll see your different views displayed as tabs. These might include options like table, Kanban, calendar, timeline, chart, or any custom view you or your team created. Click on the specific view that you want to lock. It's important to select the exact view first because Monday.com locks views individually, not the entire board at once. Once you've selected the correct view, look right next to the view name at the top. You'll see 3 dots, also known as the ellipsis menu, or something labeled View Options. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This will open a drop-down menu with additional settings related specifically to that view. Inside this drop-down menu, you'll see several options for managing the view. What you're looking for is the option that says Lock View, or Lock View to restrict edits. Click on that option. This tells Monday.com that you want to prevent other users from modifying this view's structure, filters, sorting, or layout settings. After you click Lock View, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. Monday.com does this to make sure you really want to lock the view, since this action will restrict other team members from making changes. In the pop-up, simply click the Lock button to confirm. And that's it. Your view is now locked and protected from edits by others. Team members will still be able to use the view, interact with items, and update data depending on their board permissions, but they won't be able to change the structure or configuration of that specific view. This is especially useful if you've carefully customized filters, grouped items in a specific way, or set up a dashboard-style layout that you don't want accidentally altered. Locking views help maintain consistency across teams and ensures everyone is looking at the same organized setup. If you ever need to make changes again in the future, you can simply go back to the same 3-dot menu and choose the Unlock option, as long as you have the appropriate permissions. So just to quickly recap, open your board, select the specific view you want to protect, click the 3 dots or View Options next to the view name, choose Lock View, and then confirm by clicking Lock in the pop-up. Simple, fast, and incredibly helpful for team collaboration. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tips, tutorials, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.